Chris Menard here. I want to see if Microsoft Excel, if I can use Claude to create checkboxes in Excel. Let's dive in right now. So in this file, I got fictitious customers, and I need to know, have they been notified about our new return policy? I'm going to put this over in column I, and I actually want to see a checkbox. So let's see if Claude will handle this. I'm going to click on Claude. Down in the prompt box, add a column and name that column notified about return policy. Inside that column, I actually want to see checkboxes. There's my prompt. I'm going to send it off. I told it specifically what I wanted the prompt to be called. Let's see what Claude comes back with. There you go. Notified about return policy. It is finishing up, but it's looking great right now. Yep, it's added it. Let's see if it works. Just go ahead and just check a few. There you go, right there. If for some reason you do not have Claude, what you could do is highlight Insert tab in Microsoft Excel. Here are your check boxes here. So you could have done that manually, but I just wanted to see if Claude would handle it, and thumbs up, it did. If for some reason you want to count the number of check boxes or maybe count the ones that aren't checked, that would be the COUNTIF function. There you go. I appreciate your time. Everyone have a wonderful day.